Gemini 3 versus Claude Opus 4.6. Today we'll be putting them to the test to see which is better at building an app. Also, thanks to everyone who supports my channel, and let's get right into it. So I had Claude make a prompt for itself and Gemini. We're going to use that for both of them. First I'm going to give it to Gemini. So yeah, it looks like it's working. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to give it to Claude as well. And now we wait. Okay, so it looks like Gemini has finished. It doesn't look like a lot of code for this full app, but we're still gonna look at it, see if it made any mistakes or if it did well. I'm gonna be using this HTML viewer. Okay, this looks good so far. I actually kind of like how it looks. It has the what's that called? The dark and light theme switch that I asked for it, which is good for it to make that. Has the data management, which I also asked for, but it's in JSON format, which won't really be useful for anyone else. Favorites, trash, archive, and all notes, which I did ask for, but you know, AI makes these emoji things. So let's try making a note. I like that there's a big button, but I think it's the actual plus sign and the circle don't match very well. Okay, so the note's title is just, I don't know, note. Hello, oh my gosh, my typing. Subscribe. Yeah, you should subscribe. Alright, so is there any way to just save it or something? I assume it'd be like that. Note duplicated. Oh my. Okay, I do like this feature where you can change it to words where you HTML. But you can't switch it back. Okay, that's cool. Okay, yeah, it saves. Awesome. Alright, I want to try out this stuff. Bolding, ask for that. That works. Italicizing, yes. Underline, bigger, smaller, list. Does it make it in a list? No, it does not. Does this work? Okay, that one works. I don't know what's wrong with the first one. What does this pin do? Pin. Okay, now it's the first one. Heart or star. Hey, the folders work. Now it's in the favorites. If I want to delete it, it deletes it. Amazing. Okay, so this was really good. I'm excited to see how Claude works because Claude most of the time does better. So I'm going to check that out. One other thing first I want to try is the search thing that it says it has. So, alright, let's see. Okay, yeah, the search works perfectly. Grid, list, and board works. Alright, so I'm going to try Claude now. Okay, so Claude has finished, and I pulled it up. Yeah, this is it. So one thing that I'm noticing is that its tags got mixed up with its text, but it does, yeah, for all the buttons, it got mixed up with its tags. I think that's just because of, like the size of the file that I was trying to create. It does have the light mode and the dark theme and whatnot. I haven't tried making a note yet. This looks much better than Gemini, just from the note perspective. Give it a tag, right, and stuff. That's awesome. bolding, italicize, underline, S thing. I forgot what that's called. But everything seems to be working, and I like that. I can pin it, star it, throw it away. It puts in my archive if I do that. That's weird. But besides the tag thing, that's error that it was having with the code, it looks like it did pretty well. Let me see why it failed with the tags. Oh no. Yeah, it did get it mixed up. That is sad. So I think this will have to go to Gemini. Gemini's was so much better than Claude's, just because of the tag issue that it had. But I think they'd be around the same. One of the main problems was that it just kept failing and having to start over because said that the size of the file I was trying to make was too big. Massive size. But yeah, overall I think Gemini's was much better. So yeah, if you guys want to make an app, try Gemini. If you want to make a smaller one, definitely use Claude. It's better at making smaller apps like that and coding over well. So yeah. If you guys like this content, consider liking and subscribe. Peace.